I don't know how I let this get this bad. Hey flowers, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, This is going to be a wig organization video. You can see this heap of mess. Just wow, okay? I needed to reorganize my wigs. I've been procrastinating to do so, but I'm going to show you guys how I reorganize my wigs, especially if you have a smaller space or a smaller apartment. I'll tell you where I got everything that I'm using from and all of that good stuff. But before we get into the organization, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you are notified. My channel is always all about hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you're into, think about hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Give me a big fat thumbs up, period, poo. Comment down below and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Let's get into it. So this is what you're going to need for the way that I'm going to organize, especially if you have a smaller space. I don't have much closet space at all. We're not going to talk about it, but I don't have much closet space. And so I ordered these organza bags. These are the 8x12 ones. I'll actually put this down in the description box. I got the white ones so that I can see through them. I ordered 100 index cards, the big ones. And then of course I have my pink pen because I'm extra and I have to write in pink. And then I got this. My bunch of wigs, and here is a basket that I also got from Amazon. I'll link this down below. I have two of these. I use one from like my DIY stuff, like my sewing stuff, and I use the other one for my... For me, when it comes to organizing wigs, I feel like it's better to keep them in something, a bag that's soft and smooth, something that won't ruin the hair. A satin bag will actually do well too. The reason why I didn't want to do a satin bag or a bag that was like, I wanted a transparent bag, was because when I'm looking for a wig, I don't want to have to go in each bag to find the wig that I'm looking for. As opposed to someone who gets to hang their wigs up, they're able to see everything. I can't do that. I can't see the wig that I'm looking for. So most of my wigs already have names if I can remember them. So I'm just going to put the name of the wig and the description of the wig on the index card and put it in there so I know when I pick up the bag what I'm looking for. Because the point is to like organize it to take less time to find what I want. Pretty much, okay? Pretty much. So leaving them out for me makes it look very, what's the word, like dusty. It gets dust. It gives okay, it gives dust, sis, and I don't like that. Like, I want my wig, it gets crunchy when it's just out in the air and the dust is getting into it and all of that. And all of these wigs are clean, so I'd rather keep them in the bag because I don't put them in the bag until they're clean. So I'd rather keep them in the bag to keep the freshness. That's just me. That's not something that you have to do. So here is my bae Jessica. We dyed her red a while ago. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but we dyed her red. She's a closure wig. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab one of these bags. I'm just going to simply dip her in from the top like this. Right? And then the end is going to be out. So I'm just going to... Oh my gosh, girl. Alright, I brought this down a little bit. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start to like fold it into the bag. You want to fold it down enough so that you know she'll close. Voila, magic. So I'm just going to open her back up for a sec. Just lay her down. And I named her Jessica because of Jessica Rabbit, of course. So I'm just going to grab a card. I'm writing really sloppy, doesn't matter. But I just put Jessica Red Unit 4x4 closure just so I know what I'm looking for. And then I'm sticking her in there. And I'm just going to close her and boom. So then you have one of the wigs ready to go. I think this is super adorable. I think it's the smartest way to do this. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do this box spray wig, because some people might have some wigs that are a little bit thicker and you want to know how to just store it. And honestly, it's the same way. You just have to make sure it fits into that bag. Hello? Can we open? Very much ghetto vibes, sis. It looks like it's not going to fit, but if there's a will, there's a wiggity way. Most wigs won't be this difficult because they're not going to be this thick. So I got it in. That's good enough. Let's make sure it'll close. It'll close for the most part, child. Alright, so I named this wig Justice after Justice. I am very much extra. Justice 360 box braid wig, period. I'm just gonna stick the card in. But because it's a thicker wig, I'm not gonna close it all the way, but for the most part it fits and it just does what I needed to do. And then I'm just gonna set it to the side. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, honestly. Oh, she smells so good. And the reason why I put the description, even though I only have one yellow unit right now, is that like you never know, in the future I might do another yellow unit. And I want to make sure that I already put which one is which, just because I could name that one Goldie and not even realize it. So there you go. Same thing with the box braid wig. I'm gonna show you how I do this 24-inch curly unit. She's clean. Everybody's clean. They just been in the bag, so she just needs some water. So it's the same thing as the box braid wig. You just want to make sure that you just stuff her in. The box braid wig is actually a little thicker than this because it's braids and this is like just loose hair. But you just want to make sure that you stick this in there. That's how this curly unit fits. And this is a 24-inch curly unit. And that's how it fits in these 8x10 bags. So I wanted you to see that too. This will actually fit all the way. And I actually named this wig... Somebody's texting me. I actually named this wig Zoe. So I don't know if y'all can even see what it's saying. What it's giving y'all. My handwriting today is not cute. Very much ugly vibes. Very much ugly vibes, sis. Who gonna check me though? What up? What up? Because it don't even matter. Because the only person that's really gonna be looking at this is me. So what happened? Oh, alright. So what happened? Oh. Alright, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish putting all of this stuff in the its respective bags. And then I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna fit everything inside of the bin. So we will be right back. Pooh. Okay, you guys. So I done bagged up all of my wigs. Everything is in a bag. I even got the stepkids, which are like my extra bundles and stuff. I'm just gonna start packing them in. I know you can't see right now, but I'm doing it just nice and neat in there. It's really, really deep inside, like my whole arm, forearm plus some is in there. So I'm gonna go in with the heavier wigs, which are like the box braid wigs mostly. Honestly, I'm so happy that I did this because this is actually keeping the wigs a little bit more like compact and cute. And this is exactly what I needed because I'm of course gonna have more wigs in the future. Of course, because I always make wigs. Believe it or not, you guys, that's it. Everything fits. If you push everything down, you can add more in, which is awesome. So this is just a super easy way to go ahead and organize your wigs. I'm gonna put this up on the shelf so that it's out of the way. Like I said, I do not have a lot of closet space, so that's why I made sure to get a bin that was super cute and aesthetic to fit my room's aesthetic. And yeah, thank you guys. I hope this is something that helps you guys if you guys have a small space like me and you want to figure out, and you're a wig lover and you want to figure out how to store your wigs. This is a great way how. I hope this really, really helps you guys. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.